So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're unable to add your card in Samsung Wallet. Now, what does this mean? Well, within the wallet application within Samsung, sometimes there might be some issues you might run into here. So the very first thing that we'd recommend basically doing is to go and just make sure you've cleared the app data and cache. So go inside of your settings application of your Samsung device, just like this. Scroll down until you find that apps section. So scroll down under apps, which is right over here. And then you want to find the Samsung Wallet app. So find Samsung Wallet. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and once you find it, you want to go through and basically clear the app cache. So at the bottom, there should be some options of clearing the app cache. You can also force stop the application right over here. But find the area where it says clear cache or anything like that. And that's another very important thing we'd recommend doing. So clear cache, try doing that, see if that ends up fixing it. Also, you want to remove any DNS, VPNs, ad blockers, anything like that. That's another easy thing that might end up fixing it for you. And that's a problem you might run into as well. So go through, try clearing out those things. That's another thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about as well. You can also try adding the card directly into your banking app. That's another important thing I'd recommend doing here too. So those are kind of the main things I'd recommend doing here for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.